Hello, welcome. I'm Judita. Welcome in my channel. And today's video, I am just here at the beach. It's such a beautiful setting. I've been just creating some content, and I've been just lying down in this, I don't know what it is, but it's made of wood. It's like a tent kind of thing, and it's just so beautiful. And I've been just thinking, oh my God, I want to make a video, but I don't have a topic really. So this will be very improvising video. If something will come up, it will come up. If not, then not. Well, we will see. So first of all, I actually was feeling, I'm actually feeling, and I'm being called to just tuning into the body. So if you are somewhere in the office, you are at home, or you have an option to close the door and just have your own little space with me right now, I encourage you to do that. You can maybe even light a candle, or grab some cup of tea or a water or something what you really like, and just slowly, you can even place the hands on your heart or on your belly, depends if it feels comfortable or not. Sometimes it's even okay on your knees if this is a little bit too much for you. And just slowly tuning into the body by taking deep conscious breaths. I will be joining you. You can even breathing through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. You can even make a noise when you are doing that. So and one more. You can even move your body, notice if there is any tension. I don't know what about you, but I've been noticing some tension in my shoulder on the right side hand, which is right side is your masculine side, left side is your feminine side. And I'm not surprised that it's actually happening, because there are some decisions I've been doing, and some action steps which are connected to the masculine side, and my body is clearly giving me a hands off if it's happy with my action steps or it's not. So something else might be present with you. So I encourage you to actually notice if there is any pain, any tension whatsoever in your body, and focus on that point and breathing into that point. Gentle breathing. And you keep doing that, and wherever you feel ready, just slowly open your eyes and notice what is around you right now. There might be some emotion present in your body right now. Something what's been heavy. And it is okay to let the emotion arise. Let it come through your body and just release it. This is your safe space here with me. You are safe with me. There's no place where you need to be. There is nothing you need to do right now. Right now, you are here with me. Notice if there is any tension in your jaw. Tend to smile even though we don't want to smile. Tend to hold the tension in our jaw by like that like clingy kind of like weird heavy feeling. So notice what's happening around your jaw. You don't have to be smiling. It can be you. Notice if there is any thinking coming through, not judging it, just noticing. If your mind wants to take you somewhere else, then here, with me, with you. And I just want to tell you that you are safe, that you are worthy, that you are enough, that it's amazing that you are here on this earth. And imagine sun above you, sun shining so strong. It is coming right through you, right through your body, through your head, through the center of your body, down, through the ground to the center of the earth. And this light, that shining light, is always present. The source energy is always present and always accessible for you in every moment. With every breath you take, and as you are breathing, connecting with this light, there might be something you just want to release, you want to let go by saying, this energy, this thing doesn't belong to me. This is not mine. Earth beneath me, take this. And just imagine roots which are connected to the earth. Roots which are coming from your body connected to the earth. And all this what doesn't belong to you is coming through these roots. There is this seed, this growing seed in the center of your heart. And whatever that is that you want to make grow, might be just a feeling, a joy, love, happiness, optimism, knowledge, empowerment, all these good feelings. You want to let them go. It might be something else, there might be some intention, something you really, really want. I encourage you to tune into what you really, really want. Just imagine it for this moment when you are here with me. Imagine that, what you want, what you wish for, and tune into that feeling. How does it feel in your body? You're always connected to this feeling. So wherever you are ready, just open your eyes, knowing that this feeling, you can have this feeling anytime, wherever you are, whatever is happening in your life, you can connect to this feeling. Alright, you can stay in this moment, but I am going to say goodbye and see you next time. If you really like this video, give it a like. If you like it very much, give it a subscribe. And if you need a support, I'm offering one-to-one coaching, so reach out. There is an email under the video, and I will see you in another one. Thank you so much for watching.